All right. So you're thinking about reaching out to influencers and you hear maybe it's costly or it's hard to get set up. And how does this all work? It's kind of this kind of mucky mess in a way. Well, but it also can be a great way to drive traffic to your listings. People that are really after what you're selling, and people who also are raving fans of some of these influencers who will buy the products that they recommend. So if you'd like to find out, how do I find the right influencers for my budget, whether you're a smaller brand or you're, a Procter and Gamble, large Coca-Cola type brand, then you'll definitely want to check out this presentation to help you learn how to identify the right influencers for you and for your business. This was a portion of a presentation that Amy Weiss gave at the Convert More Click Summit. Amy is listed in the Amazon Live space as both a influencer and a brand owner. So she has a very unique take on both angles. So I definitely recommend you checking out her full presentation. And if you'd like to get access to that, down below, there'll be a link in the description, and you can get access to the full presentation where she goes over how to use Amazon Live, how to use Amazon Posts, and working with influencers so you can drive more traffic and convert more sales on your listings. So if that sounds of interest to you, definitely check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this talk here, where we'll be talking about reaching out to influencers on your budget so that you can make sure to maximize your budget and the returns on something meaningful for your business.
This doesn't prevent you as a brand owner from building a page on your website where influencers can apply to work with you, right? And you can show like, hey, we pay, whatever, $30 per product. And then we double your commissions, your Amazon commissions, whatever it is, right? There are brands that don't pay anything, right? There are brands that only work with micro influencers and don't pay anything. And so a major influencer, if you reach out to a major influencer, they're going to be offended by that. If you're saying like, you just want to give me a free product, like,
right.
They don't like that at all. I see a lot of complaints about that in some of these Amazon Live Facebook groups that I'm in.
These are like influencers, like kind of like there's Amazon seller groups or e-commerce groups. This is like influencer groups. Okay.
Exactly. And they've been very helpful to me. And I'm also an Amazon Live influencer. So
you get to see both sides of it.
Yeah, I need to learn as well. So I understand, it's helping me understand how to communicate with them better. The problem that a lot of the influencers have is they don't have a set price. They kind of have to negotiate every deal. And so, where I curate every offer. Like I know what my value of my time is. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time negotiating. So when I charge to do somebody's product page, you can bet if you go to amazingathome.com/live, you're going to see my pricing upfront, right? Like right now, my pricing is free because I'm growing and learning as well. So I'm featuring people's products. I'm not charging for it. Yes, I'll get commissions on sales, which is great. But the commissions that Amazon pays, and this is very important for people to understand, is very, very low, right? It's like 3% of the product sales price.
Oh, so got it.
Yeah. And you can continue to make sales even after your live stream, because as you can see the recordings of the live streams, and those products still show up in the carousel and it still shows up on the product pages. So you can continue to make sales forever, on those live streams, which is really fun. It's really cool. But it's not a lot. I think I sold one $38 product, and I think my commission, let's see, $38 product. Oh, $39.94. And I earned $1.80 off of that.
Oh, okay. Got it. So like from a time standpoint, it's not going to be huge now, but for somebody like the woman we were looking at before, that had the shoes, that she was on the front page of Amazon.com. I'm assuming she's whatever the highest tier is, where she gets like premium placements.
I believe so. Yeah.
How much do you think she's expecting to make off of that live stream?
No, her commissions aren't more. Her commissions aren't, she doesn't get a higher level of commission than anyone else. Everybody gets the same rate of commission depending on the product category and the product's price. It's like 3% or 2% around there. But she gets better placement. So the
Right. So she has
chances
more
of
traffic and
converting.
more people buying theoretically.
Exactly. So that's why you want to keep tiering up. So
Got it.
as you do more live videos, like I just applied for a Rising Star, which is the
Okay.
next level. So we'll see if my application gets approved. They'll review my videos, make sure that it's good content, all that stuff.
Well, I
So
mean,
you
you've got
guys can
different
help
angles, so
me.
I'm cheering for you.
Yes, you guys can help me by going to amazon.com/shop/amazing at home and click that follow button. You
Okay.
guys can all help me. We brand owners can win.
We can do it.
Together we win.
Nice.
So, would love to have you guys follow me because then, I can grow that. But what I want to show you guys is if you're looking for a live influencer, you can come here and you can go to amazon.com/live, and credit goes to Gracie Ryback, who taught me all about how to do this. And you can actually browse. Okay. So you can scroll down here and see what live streams are happening, right? All different things, but it's kind of hard. So if I'm selling pet products, it's really hard to see like what influencer would be a good fit here, right? There's so many videos. How do I know?
Some of it's just their face.
Yeah, it's hard to know. So what you can do is you can actually go into browse here and you can see all the different categories. So now you can see fashion.
Is that Jessica Alba?
Sorry?
Is that Jessica Alba? Like, are there celebrities, like people you'd know their
Yeah, there
name?
definitely are.
Okay.
There's celebrities that have their own live channels, which is really cool. Yeah, it's really neat. But so there's all these different things, right? So pets, I'll click on pets because
okay.
And now I can see, oh, look at all this, and I can start kind of checking out some of these things. Unfortunately, most of these people are dog people, which makes me sad. I'm going to bring up the rear for cat people everywhere. But yeah, so it was hard for me in the cat market to really find an influencer that cares about cat stuff. But this guy has cats right inside of his thing.
Okay,
right?
so he's got both. Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing daily deals, so I can go and see what he's got going on. You can see, and then you can click through their carousel so that you can see like, oh, am I selling anything like this? Or do I have good complementary products to this influencer's stream, right?